This is Miss Brittany again. We're going to go ahead and get started with our phonemic awareness. Now we always get started with our rhyming words. Now remember, our rhyming words, if they rhyme, they have to have the same ending sound. So if the two words I give you have that same ending sound, you're going to give me a thumbs up. That means they rhyme. If they don't have the same ending sound, you're going to give me a thumbs down. So they don't rhyme. So my first two words are tell well. Do they rhyme? They do. Dug, rug. Do they have that same ending sound? Yes, they do. Cup, ride. Do they rhyme? Cup, ride. No, they don't. They don't have that same ending sound. Ham, jam. Do they have the same ending sound? They do. Cone, ship. Cone, ship. Do they have the same ending sound? No, they don't. Sight, right. Do they rhyme? Yes, they do. Save, climb. Save, climb. No, they don't rhyme. All right, the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to say a word, and I want us to figure out what that beginning sound's going to be. Nice. What's that beginning sound you hear in the word nice? We hear the n sound. Good job. Basket, basket. What's the beginning sound you hear in basket? B. Good job. Fishing, fishing. What's that beginning sound? F. Good job. Dancer, dancer. We hear the d sound. Page, page. What's the beginning sound you hear in the word page? P. Good job. All right, guys, now the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to say two words. We're going to put those two words together to make a compound word. So here's our first word, himself. Put it together. You have himself makes himself. Broomstick. Put it together, broomstick. Sunglasses. Sunglasses. Daylight. Put them together, daylight. Seashell. Put it together, seashell. Raindrop. Put them together, raindrop. Without. Put them together, without. Good job. Motorcycle. Put them together, motorcycle. Anteater. Anteater. Back seat. Put them together, back seat. Awesome job. All right, guys, the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to say a word, and we're going to listen closely for that ending sound. So here's my first word. Goes, goes. What's that ending sound you hear in goes? We hear the z sound. Good job. Dive, dive. What's the last sound you hear? V. Awesome. Fed, fed. We hear that d sound. Page, page. What's that ending sound? J. Good job. Hope, hope. We hear that p sound. Awesome job, guys. All right, the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to say a compound word, and we're going to segment that compound word into two different words. So, for example, if our word is earthworm, the two words we hear in earthworm are earth and worm. Good. So let's try this one. Meatball. Meat. Ball. Good. Nickname. Nickname. Without. Without. Homemade. Homemade. Scarecrow. Scarecrow. Toolbox. Toolbox. Good job. Beanbag. Beanbag. Good job. Oatmeal. Oatmeal. Good. Driveway. Driveway. Awesome. All right, guys, the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to say a word. I want you to repeat that word, and then we're going to add another word to make the compound word. So, for example, if my word is male, say male, we're going to add man to the end of that word. So our new word would be mailman. All right, our next one is some. Say some, Now we're going to add the word day. So our new word is someday. Next word is class. Say class. And our new word added to it is room. So we have class, room. Next one, side. Say side. We're going to add the word walk. So our new word is sidewalk. Next one, say sun. Good. We're going to add shine. Sun, shine. Awesome job. Now I'm going to say a word, and I want you to repeat my word, and then we're going to take part of that word away to find the new word. So if my word is bedtime, I want you to take time away, and we're left with bed. Good. Our new one is baseball. Take ball away, we have base. Next one, fireman. Take man away, we have fire. Good. Birthday. Take day away, we have birth. Lunch room. Take room away, we're left with lunch. Good. We've got our brains working today. Now we're going to substitute a new word to make something new. So I'm going to say a word. It's going to be the word pillowcase. I want you to change the word pillow to book. So instead of pillowcase, we're going to change it to bookcase. Good. Next one is downstairs. Let's change down to up. So now we have upstairs. Good job. Our next word is firefly. Change that fire to butter. So now we have butterfly. Good job. The next one, we have rowboat. Change that word row to sail. So now we have sailboat. Awesome. And the last one, blackboard. Change that word black to card. So now we have cardboard. Cardboard. Awesome. All right, let's look at our letters. I want you to tell me what letters. What letter? E. G. Y. Z. S. What letter? W. U. M. N. O. J. X. What letter? L. I. F. What letter? Q. P. K. H. A. C. D. B. R. V. And T. Good job. Now we're going to go back through our letters. I want you to tell me what sounds you would make. What does E say? Eh. G says G. What's Y? Y. Z says Z. S. W. U says M. N. J. X. L. I says I. F. Qu. P. A says ah. K. D. V says v. Good job, guys.